Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn learning files with education.com, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the LinkedIn Learning website and log into your account. Navigate to the course you wish to backup. Click on the course title to access the course details page. Look for the content section, which lists all the videos and resources. Make a note of any attachments or documents provided within the course. Next, open a new tab and head to education.com. Log into your education.com account or create one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, find the import or upload feature within your dashboard. Prepare to gather your LinkedIn learning materials. Go back to the LinkedIn Learning course and download any available resources or documents. For video content, consider summarizing key points or taking screenshots if downloads are not available. Return to the education.com tab and select the appropriate import option for your files. Upload the downloaded documents directly into your education.com account. For videos, create a new document summarizing the key concepts you learned. Paste your notes or any screenshots into the document. Review the imported files to ensure everything is correctly uploaded. Once you are satisfied, save your document in education.com. You now have a backup of your LinkedIn learning files securely stored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.